What's going on, guys? Good morning. We are not too far from the New Hampshire-Massachusetts border, and we are driving by what I believe are abandoned furniture factories. Largely abandoned, anyway. And this road we're on now, it's going to turn to gravel, and it's going to become an unmaintained town road, as you see by the sign here. So we'll see what we encounter. Just gonna pause here for a second and throw it in four-wheel drive. I seem to remember this hole up here being really deep, and I don't want to get hung up. I'm too far out to turn around and head back the other way, so we're just gonna keep on going. Just like I remember it. It's funny, when I got home, I was looking my Jeep over, and my front license plate actually got folded straight up in the air. I think a big sheet of ice hit it and did that. We're gonna stop, look down this old logging road to the right here. When I was a kid, this was probably late 70s, early 80s, this was logged out here. There was a whole network of logging roads. And I used to ride my dirt bike from my house, I don't know, 2 or 3 miles through these logging roads and end up where we are right now. It's funny, after all this time, you know, nothing has changed. Generally, after the first substantial snowfall, nobody's out here except for snowmobiles. Hopefully this is all frozen solid. I don't have the best tires on this thing, so I'm kind of gambling with hoofing it home if this doesn't work out well. I reckon that's enough excitement for one day. See you guys in the next video.